Welcome to Palacio Royale in Houston, Northwest. Turn to us for excellence and comfort beyond measure, and expect affordability as well. Nothing means more to us than guest satisfaction, and we look forward to the opportunity to satisfy you. Close to IAH Airport and less than 3 miles from Jersey Meadow Golf Course. Exceptional convenience to the best local attractions helps you save on transportation costs. We're only 6 miles from Traders Village and Baseball USA, The Yard. Travel just a bit further for City Center and Bear Creek Pioneers Park. Perhaps what most sets us apart from the competition is our friendly and personal service. We really enjoy serving guests, and we hope that shows in everything we do. www.palacioroyalhouston.com